This is one application-based question from the chapter Quadratic Equation. In this question, it says a ball is thrown upward from a height 6 meter with a particular speed, and the height h of the ball after t second is given by this relation. So what we can do, let's say we don't have to make a diagram, but in case if we make it, let's say this be the uh, height from the point. Let's say this is given as 6 meter. This is say 6 meter. So this is point A. Yeah, this is 6 meter from which a ball is thrown, and the ball is actually taking a parabolic path. Why did I say it's parabolic path? Because as you can see that this is indicated by this quadratic polynomial, and you know that a quadratic polynomial represents a parabolic path. Now it says that the height is 6 meter. So that means before that, we can first of all say this is represented, this parabola is represented by this equation. It says the height h of the ball is given after t second is this. That means we can say that, what we can say that, we can say that p t is given by this 6 plus 13t. P stands here the way we represent a polynomial, right? So it says that when the time is 0, like because it is dropped from here, so we can say when the time is 0, the height should be 6 meter. We can verify this, right? By placing time as 0, right? When the time is 0, so substituting t as 0, we get 3 into 0 minus 5 into 0 square. It comes out to be 0 plus 6 plus 0, which is 6 meter. That's right. So we can say that when time is 0, the height is 6 meter. This is what we already know. And what do we have to find out is say, what will be the time when the height is 0, right? Why I say height is 0? Because when you read it, it says that how long the ball will take to touch the ground. Touching the ground means when the height is 0. That's what it means. That means we have to find time when the height is 0, right? So height is 0 means what? This is 0, right? As you can see, this is represented, or you may write pt as 0. You can write pt as 0 implies that this value, that is 6 plus 13t minus 5t square equal to 0. Now first write down in the standard form is 5t square minus 13t plus, sorry, on transposing it's going to be minus 6 equal to 0. Now I can factorize it. 6 into 5, right? 6 into 5 is 30 from the factors of 30, right? From the factors of 30, we have to obtain 13 here. So I can write 15 into 2. So this is minus 15t plus 2t and minus 6 equal to 0, right? And if I take this thing common, say this is minus 6 equal to 0. So you must be able to observe that what we have actually split 30 now. Right, a student also in this case does some mistake, and what they do, they say that they say that I can write 30 and split it as 10 into 3. So I can write this as minus 10t minus 3t. That is also gets minus 30. That's incorrect. You should try by doing the actual working. This is not a correct factors. Now, if I take common here, I can see this is 5t is common. So this will give you t minus 3. And if I take 2 as common, again, it is t minus 3 equal to 0. So it implies t minus 3 or 5t plus 2 equal to 0. Now, What we next going to do is to find the value of, we have two different values. So I'm doing this working here. So if I equate this with 0, that is t minus 3 equal to 0, or 5t plus 2 equal to 0. Comparing this with 0, I'll get t is equal to 3, and here t is equal to minus 2 by 5. Yeah, time cannot be negative. Therefore, t is equal to 3 seconds. That means it will take 3 seconds for the object which was dropped from this height, like it's following this path, right? It is 6 meter. So as it is taking this path, because it is thrown upward first and then it is going down, it will take 3 seconds to reach here.